The New Jersey Lottery is proud to present the 7th inning scratch. Fans over 18 in Section 117, Row C, are getting New Jersey Lottery Spring 50s tickets. Good luck and start scratching. Now, Thunder fans, get up, stretch out, and sing along with Jack McDade to Take Me Out to the Ballgame.
Take me out to the ball game. Take me out with the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jack. I don't care if I ever get back. Let me root for the Thunder. If they don't win, it's a shame. Here we go. For it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game. Let's get some more runs.